Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Morgan Stanley. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in morganstanley.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Morgan Stanley website. Now from the homepage, in order to sign up and create a new account, hover over to Client Login and choose Morgan Stanley Online. You will now be taken into the login portal for Morgan Stanley. Now in order to sign up, click on Create a Username underneath the login box and you will be taken into the sign up portal. In order to sign up, just type in your account number for Morgan Stanley that you have been allocated and then enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. If you don't have a social security number, you can click on Don't Have SSN and register with a passport. After entering all of your credentials, click on the Continue button and you will be asked to authenticate. You will need to use your phone number or email address to do this by entering the verification code that is sent to either one of these. After you enter this authentication code and move forward, you will be allowed to create your user ID and your password. Just type in your desired user ID and enter your desired password for your account and click on the sign up button and your account on Morgan Stanley will be created right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Morgan Stanley. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.